Hello and welcome to the episode 5 of Code Deep Dive. In this episode, I will show you how to use standard move to work with R values. Let's create two functions that accept R value and L value reference. Let's call these functions now. As expected, dispatch happens according to reference type used. Let's treat now a variable as R value. I will use standard move function to do that. Let's deep dive. Move function is a templated function that performs static cast to reference type. Standard remove reference is used here to obtain pure type from the type. This is structure that only stores bare type definition. This GCC version uses built-in reference removal. For older versions, overloaded structures are used. In either case, bare type is represented with type. On continue, we see that R value is returned and corresponding function is called. Regardless of the type of reference passed, standard move returns always R value reference. Now let's see how to use forward. It seems that forward performs static cast to R value reference, but there is more to it. Let's create a templated function that literally forwards invocation to our previous function. We want to accept both R value and L value references. With such direct implementation, function is always forward with L value reference. Let's add forward now. With such templated setup, forward helps providing correct reference type to downstream call. In this video, I showed how to work with R value and L value references with help of forward and move functions. In the previous videos, we saw forward function used in a few places by vector implementation. In the next episode, I will show how standard tuple is designed. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I hope this helps you creating something great. Thanks for watching.